few things to note about this room. There's no coffee. You can make coffee, but they don't give you anything to make it with. This is some boxy thing. I don't think it is. And closet's fine. Bed's fine. The phone doesn't have any. There's not a lot of information. I don't know how to call the front desk. I don't know how to do a lot of things. And bathroom's fine. Yes. And it's okay. So the phone, it's a nice little room. The view's bad, but it's okay. Oh, and the lighting. It's hard to see the mirrors. The light's all kind of there. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine.